Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and we are simply cooking. So today we are going to be making some homemade cornbread. So if you're cooking and you like, I don't got no Jiffy mix or no cornbread mix, you can always make your own, and I am going to show you how to do that. So we are going to be working with some sugar in this. We got some flour, we got some honey, we got some Martha White cornbread, what is that? Buttermilk cornmeal mix. We have some baking soda, we got some salt, we got 2 eggs, we got a cup of milk, and a stick of butter. Now you want to use butter, not the margarine. And I got some oil here to oil my pan. So we're going to do our dry mix first. So I can open this. Woo! Got my garbage bowl. So we want to do 1 cup of the cornmeal mix. There. So this is 1 cup. Put that over to the side. You want to do 1 cup of flour. I usually sift my flour, but go ahead, put that in there. We got 1 cup of flour. And this is 2/3 cup of sugar. I'm making a mess here. Got some sugar, 2/3 cup of sugar. Go ahead and I'm going to melt this butter, because you want to do some melted butter. So you can melt that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and put my salt. I'm doing a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And some of these items that you probably already have in your pantry is so easy to make. Already melted. And we got the butter, we got the sugar, we put that over to the side. We're going to crack our eggs and we're going to mix our wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Get the shell out of here. And our 1 cup of milk. I'm already preheating my oven to 365 degrees. I'm just mixing this up. This is our milk and our eggs. And I'm going to mix that into our dry ingredients. I'm just going to mix this up really well. Make sure that's all blended in there. Let's stir this all up. And we're just going to make a little thing in the middle. going to pour our dry ingredients in there, which is our milk and our eggs. And mix all that together. So I'm just mixing it all together. And this is going to be your homemade cornbread. So easy to make. You get all your ingredients already in your pantry. So now I'm just going to pour all my butter in here. And that was 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of butter. Don't use margarine. A lot of people get butter and margarine mixed up, but butter makes it more flavorful. It gives it a good taste than the margarine do. So with the honey, I'm just going to do 1 swirl. Well, I did 2 swirls. Just going to mix all that in there. It's all mixed together. Put that to the side. I got my cast iron skillet right here. I'm going to oil it. You might think, oh my God, that is too much oil. But I do it like this to get all over the sides. Get it all in there. And then I just pour the rest in my garbage bowl. That way it's all greased. And it's not a lot of grease. Not a lot of oil. So now you want to just pour your mixture. Pour it right into your skillet. My oven is almost ready. Pour it all in there. And you just want to tap it just to make sure that it's all even. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven, and we're going to cook it between 30 and 40 minutes. Roughly around 35 minutes until it's nice and golden brown at the top. I'll come back and I'll show you your results. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, and we are going to take it out. And look. Nice and golden brown, homemade cornbread. So every time I take my cornbread out, I put some butter on it for it to be nice and moist. So I got some butter here. You can use the butter out your refrigerator or whatever, and I do use butter. I want to use some margarine because margarine got that oil in it. So you want to make sure you be using butter, get that nice buttery taste. And I put it all over. And it's so easy to make. You got some cornmeal mixture. You have your, I got some, what's the name right here from the butter package. But you got your cornmeal mixture, you got flour, you got sugar, you got honey, you got bacon, soda, you got milk, sugar, and a little bit of salt. And most of those things is probably in your cabinet, in your refrigerator. You got 2 eggs also, so probably have all that stuff. After you make this homemade cornbread, you probably won't even be buying none. So I'm going to drizzle some honey. First I want to cut it before I can get all in the middle. All between the little lines. And if you're unsure if it's done or not, you can just take a toothpick, poke it in the middle, just to see if it's done. If it come out clean, you're good to go. If it come out with some of the mixture in there, probably let it sit back in the oven for about 5 minutes. So I'm going to drizzle some of my honey all over it. Look at that. Perfectly good golden brown homemade cornbread. Got that butter on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Here it go. It's hot. Woo! Look at that, how fluffy it is. Get another piece. I'll show you what I am seeing here. Ooh. It's just dripping all over the place. I'm going to put my lid on there for it to stay nice and moist. I'm going to push this to the side. Cornbread all over the place. Alright. Look how fluffy it is. It's just yummy. Ooh, talking. Woo! Got some nice cornbread. I'm gonna take another bite. Mmm. It's so good. You're gonna be so proud of yourself that you made your own homemade cornbread. And it's so easy. How simple was that? Well, thank you for watching. This is the end. Thank you for watching, and please come back for my next video. Bye.